So let us discuss the town planning of Harappan civilization. We will discuss some important features of the town planning. Basically, there were two kind of town. One was raised or known as citadel, and another was lower town. Raised town, the rulers of the city lived, and the lower town, the common citizen lived in the lower town. And use of burned brick was an important feature because in pre-stone age people used mud brick, but during this Harappan phase they started to use burned brick. Acha, আর কি ছিল না, streets were very wide and one street cut another in rectangular portion, and the towns were well planned, the houses were well planned. No windows of the house face the street, and some of the house has their own well. Okay, আর বার্ন্ড ব্রিকের ইউজ হতো এই সময় বলেছি, and drainage system was very good at that time. Okay, let us discuss the society of this Harappan civilization. Mainly the society was urban society, and we have already known that there was they own great achievement in pottery. Red pottery, black pottery were made at that time, and use of terracotta was very useful at the point of time. At this portion of time, টেরাকোটা মিন্স যেটা বলবো মাটির তৈরি, পোড়া মাটির তৈরি, আগুনে পোড়া মাটির তৈরি কোনো জিনিস. বেসিক্যালি দ্য টেরাকোটা ওয়্যার ইউজড ফর মেকিং ডিফারেন্ট টয়েস or ornaments, different symbols, ঠিক আছে. And they were good in bed making. Bed was one kind of glass that were used for making different ornaments, and they used different material. Okay, different materials like the copper, bronze, silver, gold, and they were very much good at metallurgy as well. And the people used the garments that were made up of cotton or wool, and they largely consume the wheat, barley. এই সময় wheat, barley এসব তারা কনজিউম করতো. অ্যান্ড দ্য হারাপ্পান স্ক্রিপ্ট যেগুলো ছিল সেগুলো ছিল তোমার লোগোসিল্যাবিক or pictographic. Pictographic means the script used picture or logo for their representation. And Harappan writing one called Boustrophedon. It means that alternative way to write from left to right and next right to left. মানে প্রথমে বাঁ দিক থেকে ডান দিকে, তারপর আবার ডান দিক থেকে বাঁ দিকে, এরকমভাবে অল্টারনেট করে লিখে যাওয়ার যে প্রসেস সেটাকে বলবো আমরা Boustrophedon. So let us discuss the economy of this Harappan civilization. The Harappan people had good trade relationship with the Mesopotamia and Egypt, which were contemporary of this Harappan civilization. Okay, so from the text of Mesopotamia we can get three important trading centers. They were Meluhha, Dilmun and Makan, where the Meluhha was the name that was actually the Mesopotamian people called Harappan as Meluhha. Okay, so they carried on trade by barter system. Barter means exchange of goods or services instead of money. They used scales for measurement. Generally two kind of scales are we can get, for example the shell scale and the ivory scales, and they were very much proper in measurement. They used different weights for measurement. The weights were made up of different type of stones or metals. And next we can get some excavated bead making factories in Chanhu-Darro and Lothal. Chanhu-Darro is in Pakistan and Lothal is in Gujarat. And we can get excavated dockyard from Lothal, which is in Gujarat. Dockyard means where the ships are loaded, unloaded or repaired. Okay, so they had good trading relationship. They used seals for trading purpose. Seals carried different emblem. Emblem means symbol of any product or any group of person. So the seals carried emblem. Emblem carries the symbol of some product or a group of person. The seals were made up of steatite, and they imported different trading materials from different countries, like gold, tin were imported from Afghanistan. Copper was imported from Khetri. Khetri is well known for copper in Rajasthan. Okay, they imported lead from South India and bituminous from Baluchistan and Mesopotamia. They imported the lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli, which was a metal that has color of blue, was imported from Afghanistan. Like jade, turquoise, these were also imported from different places. Jade were imported from Pamir, lapis lazuli imported from Afghanistan, and turquoise from Khorasan. Khorasan is in Iran. So they imported different material for this trading purpose. From this we can assume that they had a very good trade relationship with their contemporary civilization.